So welcome back to our channel 1-2-Step video. I'm going to be showing you guys on how you can revoke access to your connected apps in Trust Wallet. So guys, if you no longer need the app that you have connected with your Trust Wallet and you want to revoke the access but you're confused on doing so, then this video is for you. Just go ahead and open Trust Wallet first, and once you're in this page, look below and search for settings right here. So once you tap there, you'll be given even more options like network, developer settings, connected app, locked apps, secret phrase, and many more. We just need to go to connected apps. So you can see I have not connected apps over here, but if you have connected them, you can find them right here. And in order to revoke them, all you need to do is tap on them and search for the option that says either remove or revoke access. And you can choose it, and then after that, you will successfully be able to revoke access. So guys, that's how you revoke access of connected apps from Trust Wallet. Hope this video was helpful for you. If you found this video helpful, please leave us a like and drop us a comment down below. And if you want more helpful videos like these, then please subscribe to our channel. We'll see you again next time. Thank you for watching.